Hello there. My name is JP Talty and you're watching Sick Man Vlogs. I'm sick right now. I just wanted to point out that because you probably didn't get it from the name. Did you see that spit that I spat at the screen? This is Sick Man's Vlog. Right now I have a runny nose. With congestion in my nose. It stinks. I took an exam today and it was really painful and I sneezed up like 25 tissues. And then I used those tissues after I sneezed them up. It was terrible for the entire group. I was like sneezing, and I was a hamperman to everybody. Along with my running nose, I feel like I'm gonna die. That's another effect of my sickness. I'm in a car right now near Walmart, as my parents go get food. My parent and my brother, to be more specific. This vlog isn't very interesting, and I don't know if anyone would ever watch this. Maybe I'll start up a YouTube channel called Sick Man Vlogs, so whenever I get sick, I will be able to vlog with you. These vlogs won't really happen too often, because I don't get sick very often. That was disgusting. I just sniffled. Tissue. Need tissues. I just sniffled. And then I excreted my snot off the side. I'm dying. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you don't get sick.